That thing's loud. Okay, I want to see it moving. Kind of loud.
Get some tires on it. Get some tires.
I can't wait to drive it. Go in it.
How he drives now.
I know, but I want to drive in that thing.
Yeah.
He has two mufflers
This
on
is
it.
the old cars that I used to hear.
Yeah.
Those are like the old cars that used to go around. Whoa.